Hey guys, so we're gonna do something a little different today. So my Touareg that I use to tow cars with has had a little battery issue for the last 2 weeks, and I've been jump starting it because I tried to fix the battery a few times and it didn't happen. So I had to give in and I had to get a new battery. So today I'm gonna take you through a quick little, I guess, how to change the battery in a Touareg, I guess, or Porsche Cayenne. Same chassis, and I also think the Q7s, the Audis. So I'll take you through it. It's just a pain, you know, a battery underneath the seat. Strange. Maybe it's not strange to some people, but it's strange to me. So let's get to it. So the first thing we need to do is, so we need to pop the hood, and I gotta go back into the back and grab the jumper pack, because to move the seat when the battery's dead, which it is, and you have to put the jumper box on the two post connectors. One here, one there. There we go. So now, first step, take the mat out, it's in the way. So we gotta pop these covers off. It takes an M10 triple square. So this one you can normally pop with this on, but you just kind of reach. Pops, this one will pop enough, and you can just pop that out. Make sure the little metal piece is still on. So you can't get to the triple squares with this like this. Well, this one you can, but this one you cannot. So I pop this back in because you can't get to that. That one can kind of stay there. This is why you need power to the seat, because this is going to go up and there's no room. The battery's underneath here and here, so you need to bring the seat forward so it goes up. You can get in there. And now we'll do it. So, wear goggles for this. After this point right here, because after you clip this off, there's 4 clips in the back. They come off pretty easy. There's a carpet here. It's underneath the vent for the heat. So this comes off, pops off. Here's the battery. So there's a little breather here. Won't lie, I've been in here, and 2 weeks ago I had to take this out. I was trying to fix the battery, and I had this stuffed right in here, and as I grabbed the battery, it flung out and hit me in the eye. A little bit of acid in the corner of my eye. Was not pleasant. Totally freaked out at that point. But I'm all gay. Think go blind. So now 10 millimeter. There's a bracket right here with a 10. Then there's the other battery hold down underneath here, which is also a 10. And as I said, goggles. The other one. Now it's ready to come out. And it weighs like 60 pounds. It's heavy. It's a bad position. Put it right there. That's how it slapped me in the eye last time. It did exactly that. Get the new battery. I see this thing is still trying to pop out. Because like I said, it's a little heavy. It's hard to perfectly place it in here. So this is little spots down below. They lock in kind of underneath the plastic. Down there if you can see. And over here. You pretty much can't really mess this up. Now we'll put the bracket back in. We drop the screw. Get this one back in. This one has these little teeth, so it lines up down the bottom with this little teeth. Alright, there it is. I like to check those with a regular ratchet instead of the cordless one. Go. Things in. Put the vent tube back in. Pop these little caps off. So now we're on hook the jumper pack. So now we put the cover back on. Carpet goes underneath the vent. Cover it like that. Seat harness. There. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you drop the seat down. Put these pieces back on. Like I said, you have to pop this back up now. Unless you'll never get this one in. This one slides, but this one will not go in unless this is up. So there you go. Snap that one in. That likes to move. And voila, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.